And my best tip for you guys starting with tech recruitment is this: start with one role only. Don't go overboard because the whole IT ecosystem is quite diverse. There is a wide range of IT positions, starting with web developers, backend, frontend, mobile, desktop developers, through analysts, architects, QA specialists, even to roles such as cybersecurity specialist, DevOps engineer, SAP developer, Salesforce developer, like so many IT positions. But I've seen recruiters taking anything that comes their way and then they sort of struggle. So I want you to not make this mistake. And what you can do is actually to choose one segment, one part. And if I just look at this mind map of IT roles, I would see, for example, on the right hand side, software development roles, backend, full stack, front end, mobile app developers, desktop. So choose one, or choose maybe for some of you who are not starting, you may choose DevOps or cybersecurity positions and focus only on that one segment. But especially if you are starting, the best thing you can do is to focus on, for example, front-end developers or back-end developers. And even there you can go deeper and you can sort of expand this node within the mind map and focus only on, say, Node.js, full stack developers. So those are JavaScript. So those are JavaScript developers who focus on the backend and frontend. On the backend side they use JavaScript with Node.js, and on the frontend side they may use React or Angular or Vue.js. Okay, so what you can do if you are starting, especially if you have never worked in IT, it will be way too confusing for you to take any position and to start working on front-end, back-end, mobile, desktop, Salesforce developers, analysts, architects. Like, you would be overwhelmed. So don't go that way. Instead, focus on just one segment. And probably, I would say 70% of all the positions are within this segment of front-end and back-end web developers. So just choose one that you like probably most. You can, for example, focus on C# developers, C# web developers, and this is an area that is growing, certainly. So a lot of companies are hiring C# developers. A lot of developers are on the market with this particular skill. So if you only focus on this, then you will go even deeper within this particular segment. So for example, C# can be used for web development, for games, for even data engineering or data science, right? Like, it has different types of use cases. So especially if you are starting in tech recruitment, you should go deeper, not wider, right? Just don't make this mistake of going too wide and not really knowing enough about the technologies, about the use of certain languages or frameworks, okay? So this is the takeaway, and if you guys need some more help, just remember we have this Tech Recruitment Academy where we help people transition from non-tech recruitment to IT recruitment, tech recruitment. So we will teach you step by step how to actually tackle all these roles. Obviously software developers, but also analysts, architects, DevOps, cloud engineers. Like, this area is growing. So just join the Tech Recruitment Academy. And if you are working in a team, we also organize training sessions for teams. Sometimes we work with 8, sometimes with 15 people within one team, and the goal is to get everyone to fill one more vacancy. So if you can increase the performance of your team by 10% or more, that will be a successful mission. So I would be thrilled to have a chance to work with your team. If you're an individual recruiter, then just join the Tech Recruitment Academy. You go through some initial training, and then we also match you with companies that have some of these vacancies. So it's not just training, it's very hands-on, and you will also get access to some of the job requirements, so you can start recruiting right after you go through the training. All right, so yeah, just go to Tech Recruitment Academy, enroll in our program, and I'll see you soon, hopefully inside. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and keep rocking, keep filling more positions, build great engineering teams.